You don't know, this is your boy Charles Douglas from TD Drones Reviews. I'm going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy A21S. It's been on the market for a few months already. It's one of the best entry-level smartphones you can get out there, so you don't know. We're going to get straight into the unboxing. Alright, so you don't know, here we got an unboxing of the Samsung A21S. As you can see, we have the quick start guides. You get the phone for sure, the Samsung A21S. Looking real sleek and nice. This is a nice color. As you can see, we have the fingerprint sensor here, the fingerprint scanner, yeah. The cameras, quad camera setup, looking real nice. And in the box, you also get the adaptive fast charging charger. Okay then, cool. Samsung ain't easy with that one there. You get the USB-C charging cable, and you also get the headphones to use with your Samsung A21S. Alright, so you don't know, this video was sponsored by Celtec Curaçao. Make sure to go to Celtec. The holiday season is close. If you're looking for a gift for any one of your friends or family, you don't know, just pass by there and see what they have for you. And don't forget to check out the A21S for sure. Clean up all of this right now, and I'm going to get into some more information on the Samsung Galaxy A21S. And we're going to speak about some of the specs, some of the features, and you know, all of the good stuff. So let's get right into it. Okay, everybody, here we have the Samsung Galaxy A21S, the entry-level smartphone that covers all the basics that you will want and need. And this phone also features a great all-around camera for the price. As you can see there, quad camera setup. Boom, you ton now. The A21S has a plastic body and frame. It weighs about 192 grams. It's a solid phone. It features a 6.5-inch PLS TFT display, 720 by 1600 pixels resolution, 20 by 9 aspect ratio, 270 ppi, has 491 nits of max brightness, which is average for smartphones. You know, I see some that are way dimmer than this, so hey, this is good. So the A21S features an Exynos 850 chipset, octa-core Cortex A55 at 2.0 gigahertz. It has 4 GB RAM, 64 GB eMMC 5.1 storage, and a dedicated slot for the micro SD card. Alright, so some more to mention features are the A21S packs a 5000 milliamp hour battery. It has 4 cameras, fingerprint scanner, also FM radio, and you get all these features for the price. Samsung definitely knows how to make a plastic body look really, really nice. You know, a decent budget phone with a glass stick look. It looks real premium though, I ain't gonna lie, you know. As you could see here on the screen, that the bezels are very thin. And there is a small punch hole size front facing camera in the upper left corner. You know, the idea. It does not look bad comparing to having the front facing camera in the top center, you know. At the bottom of the phone, as you could see, the speakers, the headphone jack next to the charging port. So now when you turn the phone to the left side, right here it has a hole. That's where you insert the pin. And the A21S supports dual SIM. So that's on the left side of the phone, as you can see. On the back, you can see that the A21S has a quad camera setup and the fingerprint scanner. The speakers on the A21S are pretty decent, loud experience. And I would say for the hardcore gamers, playing games is not the smoothest or the best experience, but it is possible to play games using the A21S. Just know that as you load more apps, more games, you would experience some lagging during your everyday use. So you might get some stutter or some lagging during your everyday use. If you only use this for just making calls, browsing the web, just the regular stuff, you'll actually be okay for a long time using the A21S. So just know that the Samsung A21S is still capable of handling your everyday use. The Samsung A21S phone comes with Android 10 One UI 2.1. The interface is straightforward, customizable, well organized. You get dark mode and the Android 10 gestures, which is good. So thumbs up to Samsung for implementing that for sure. Setting up fingerprint security is very, very easy. Follow the on-screen instructions during setup and it works reliably and consistent. Okay, so now let's talk a bit about the camera specs. The Samsung A21 features four main cameras, as you could see. While the primary being a 48 megapixel 2.0 aperture lens, an 8 megapixel ultra wide f2.2 aperture lens, a 2 megapixel 2.4 aperture macro lens, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor for style blur effects and rendering of your photos and videos. It also has flash, and the front facing camera is a 13 megapixel f2.2 aperture lens. You get 13 megapixel wide shots and 8 megapixel crops. So selfies look average, not bad for the price. The Samsung A21S is capable of recording 1080p and 30 frames per second videos. There is no support for electronic stabilization. The video looks great and natural, and the ultra wide camera also records good video. So here are my final thoughts about the Samsung A21S. So my final thoughts about the Samsung A21S. This phone is a good entry-level smartphone with good basic features for your everyday needs. This phone gives you great battery life, a decent all-around camera. It has nice looking hardware. So if you're looking for other alternatives in this price range, just click right here to check out some of my other videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't as yet. Also hit the notification bell to know when I release new videos. Like, share with your friends and family. The holiday season is close. Plus, you won't break the bank. This video is sponsored by Celtech Curaçao, located at Goisco Shopping Center. This is your boy Charles Douglas from TD Jones Reviews. You done know.